In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice type speaker notes in Google Slides. This feature is particularly useful if you're someone who prefers speaking over typing, or if you're working on a presentation and want to quickly jot down your thoughts without the hassle of manual input. Let's dive in and make the most out of this Google Slides feature. To begin, you'll want to open up your Google Slides presentation. If you've got it handy, great. If not, go ahead and launch Google Slides from your browser and locate the presentation you wish to add notes to. Once inside your presentation, navigate to the slide where you'd like to start adding your speaker notes. Now, focus your attention on the menu bar at the top of the page. Here, look for the Tools menu. This handy menu hosts several useful options, and for our purposes, you're going to select Voice Type Speaker Notes. Clicking on this option will prompt a microphone icon to appear on your slide. You'll notice this icon floating beside your notes pane, ready for action. Before you start speaking, it's important to ensure your microphone is working and connected properly. Most computers these days have built-in microphones, but if you're using an external one, double-check it's plugged in correctly. This step is crucial, otherwise you might find yourself speaking into the void with nothing recorded. Once that's sorted, go ahead and click on the microphone icon. When you click on it, you'll see the icon turn red, indicating that it's listening for your voice. Begin speaking clearly and naturally. You'll see your words appear in real time within the speaker notes section of your slide, much like captions. This is where the magic happens, and it's as simple as that. While you're speaking, it's a good idea to monitor the text as it appears. If you notice any mistakes, you can quickly pause, fix them, and continue. The goal here is to communicate as you would naturally, but don't rush. The clearer and more deliberate you are, the more accurate your text will be. Once you've finished voice typing your notes, click the microphone icon again to stop the dictation. Doing so will prevent any unintended words from being captured as you move on. Now you have detailed speaker notes that you can use to enhance your presentation. If necessary, take a moment to review and edit them, making your notes as effective and informative as possible for when you present. And that's it. You now have the tools to streamline the process of adding notes to your Google Slides presentations using your voice. With practice, you'll find this method can save you time while ensuring detailed notes are